Coming up in our very first story, foreign direct investments into the country declined from $1.45 billion in the second quarter to $241.17 million, representing 83.3% in the third quarter of last year. Reporter Asiedu-Dartey has been finding out what accounted for the decline. Capital goes to whatever business or country that has the best growth prospects anywhere in the world. Employment and accelerated economic growth in developing and emerging market countries like Ghana.
When FDI comes into your country, they leave several things. Technology, in terms of foreign exchange that it brings in terms of the labor that it's able to grow up here.
Foreign direct investments to Ghana declined from $1.45 billion in the second quarter to $241.17 million in the third quarter of 2016. A senior lecturer at the Finance Department of the University of Ghana Business School, Dr. Lord Mensah, attributes the decline in the FDI to the political climate at that time.
An investor sitting somewhere and coming with what? His funds to set up. So if the environment that he's going into, he foresees what? A hostile environment in the future, he will not come. So, and those who are operating within here would like to hold on for some time and then see the outcome of what? Whatever environment they were operating.
It is crucial to restore confidence in both local and international businesses through fiscal, monetary and exchange rate stability. Supportive business environments through tax and other investment incentives are required to promote investment.
It is very difficult for the investment center to go and sell Ghana when we are in a situation where inflation is doing what it's doing, exchange rate is doing what it's doing, interest rate is doing what it's doing, and a level multiple taxes are in. So this is the reality, and we shouldn't be surprised, but I take that as a call to action.
The former GIPC boss indicated the GIPC has to leverage on government policies on industrialization to deliver.
When we start having done the analysis of identification of one district, one factory, starting to see then the opportunities for GIPC to work for those larger elements to attract or those who have already expressed an interest to invest in those sectors. So I think that then gives the GIPC tools to work with.
In the third quarter of last year, 46 new projects were registered with estimated 1,500 jobs expected to be created at full capacity. This is a decrease of 74.90% over the 5,993 of expected jobs in the third quarter of 2015. Now, there has been very little coherent information or data on businesses in the country, and a situation that has adversely affected policy planning. Business data serves as a benchmark to measure the contribution of various sectors to economic indicators such as employment. Once again, Asiedu-Dartey looks at the essence of the Regional Spatial Business Report and the District Business Register after their launch.
Ghana now has Regional Spatial Business Report and District Business Register for all districts across the country. The Integrated Business Establishment Survey was conducted on non-household establishments of all sectors, both public and private. The survey solicited basic information such as the name and exact location of establishments. Greater Accra recorded 177,152 establishments. The breakdown shows the service sector had 149,512, industry recorded 27,302 establishments, and institutional agriculture recorded 338. Accra Metropolitan Assembly had 80,827 establishments, followed by Tema Municipal Assembly with 17,250, and the least establishment of 415 was recorded at Shai Osudoku District. Of the 1,284,336 people who were engaged in establishments in the Greater Accra region, 801,921 were males and 482,415 were females. At the launch of the Greater Accra Regional Spatial Business Report and District Business Register, Head of Industrial Statistics at the Ghana Statistical Service, Anthony Kraka, noted the report will serve as a primary feasibility study for investors.
If you want to know which business is already in existence, where can they be located in a particular area, and how can your business feed into their operations? Yes, to that extent, I would say yes. We don't need to do that feasibility study. That study has been done for you already. So that cost will be taken off.
The District Business Register is crucial for policy making, implementation of programs, and monitoring and evaluation. The survey was conducted in 2014. However, the acting government statistician Bawa Dear indicated the time lag between the fieldwork and the launch of the report should not be a worry.
The register needs regular updating. If there are new businesses, we are going to add them on. If we miss some establishments during the survey, we are also going to add them on. And then the defunct or dead establishments, we are going to take out. This is going to be a regular feature, and we intend to partner with every district assembly in the country.
An online updating of the business report and register will be available by the end of this year.